Okay, so what's your name, please, bro? Because this is almost like a one-on-one class.
Yeah, my name is Said.
Said, okay,
Said
nice.
Abdullahi.
All right, that's good. That's good. Nice meeting you, Said. So, um, this is the one of the 5 days Forex Bootcamp that I will be hosting. And for today, we're just going to be doing like introduction to Forex basics for beginners, just to kickstart the whole stuff. So I have already dropped the outline on the WhatsApp group. So you can go and check what we'll be having on day 2, day 3, day 4 till day 5. But for today, we'll be doing more of introduction into Forex and all of that. So first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Alpha Appointed, and I've been trading Forex for over 4 years now. And how I first came about Forex was when I was still in school, about that was 2018, when I was almost graduating from school. So a friend of mine was just saying, Forex. I was like, what's this stuff about? So before then, I am somebody that is always very, very curious, inquisitive about how to make money online, how to create an extra stream of income, and all of that. You get. So I've always been researching, surfing the net, looking for one way or the other to just make extra source of money, especially online, that I can just sit down at home and do without going out anywhere or something like that. You get. So when I heard about this Forex, I got interested and I started looking into it. 2019, I was just reading about it on and off. It took me till the end of the year before I got serious about it. But I funded my account. My first live account that I funded was in 2020, early beginning of 2020. So that was when the journey started properly. And from that time till now, I would say that I've withdrawn at least about $1,000 from the market, and which is actually small compared to what the potential of the market, compared to what the market can offer you. You get, but I will still count it as a blessing, and I'll also regard myself as this is like a humble beginning for me as we continue to forge ahead. You understand? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
All right. So, Said, this boot camp right now, the purpose of this boot camp is actually to like uh expose early beginners to Forex, to give you like to expose you to what Forex is, because you can't actually learn Forex in 5 days. It's impossible. Before you be able to trade and profitably make money from consistently make money from the Forex market, it will take you to at least 3 to 6 months. And in fact, some can even take some, it depends on the individual. Some people can take them as long as even 2, 3, 4 years before they can begin to consistently make money. So it's not possible for you to learn Forex in 5 days. But what the purpose of this bootcamp, what I hope to achieve is to give you like a proper introduction into Forex, to help people understand what Forex actually is, and to give them like a good background on learning how to trade Forex. And I also hope to demystify and clear the myth that surrounds Forex. You know, in our country right now, Nigeria, it's very, very, anybody that talks about Forex, everybody sees it as a scam. You may have seen a lot of all these Forex groups invest 100K, get 300K in 2 hours, all of those things. So there's this image, a very bad image that surrounds Forex, crypto, all of these things, because people easily associate it to scam. But then Forex is legit. You can actually make legitimate money from Forex. So that is what I also hope to do, to kind of clarify the air, so that people will get to understand that Forex is not a scam. You can actually trade Forex the right way and make legitimate money from Forex. So by the end of this bootcamp, I hope that if you're a beginner, if you're somebody that has been trading for a while, or even if you're an advanced trader, I believe that I will still have a lot of I believe that I will still have a lot of value that I will share to you that will help you in whatever stage of your Forex journey. Whatever stage you are on, it will still help you. So, having said that, let's start. So, what is Forex? What is Forex? Forex the is the short form for foreign exchange. Forex is the short form for foreign exchange. Now, in this bootcamp, I'll be touching uh, the basics. I will not really be diving deep into the basics. I will be touching the basics. As you can see, I've not really prepared like a slide that will give you plenty notes or a PDF that you will go and be reading about Forex and all of that, because there are thousands of those things online, even videos online. But what I'm going to be doing is I'll be giving you like a very, very raw interpretation or explanation of what these things are. And I'll also guide you, direct you, show you where you can find very, very top-notch resources that will actually help you to fast track your learning curve, your learning process. So I will also be sharing some YouTube links of videos that you can watch to help you understand all of these things that I'm going to be teaching you about. So what is Forex? Forex is actually a short term for foreign exchange. Foreign exchange. Now, let me give you an example. If, for instance, now you are about to travel abroad to go, maybe let's say America, the United States, you know you cannot spend Naira there. So you need the dollar to be able to spend money in the US. So in Nigeria now, you can meet people that change money, like the Aboki people. They are the ones that usually are the money changers. So you go to them, you give them your Naira. Let's say you give them 100K and tell them that they should give you dollar because you're traveling abroad. You need to go and spend dollar there, right? So that transaction that you've done is what Forex is. That is simply Forex in the simplest of form. Forex is foreign exchange, is the exchange between currencies of different nations. The exchange between currencies of different nations. So that is what Forex is. So if you go, it's still on that example now. If you go abroad, you're in America now, you can still find different exchangers, like physical money changers there that they can change your Naira to dollar for you. So that is still foreign exchange. But right now, Forex is being traded online. It's being traded electronically. It's no longer just traded like physically. It's being traded in an online marketplace where you have a lot of buyers and a lot of sellers willing to transact. You get? So that is what Forex is in the most basic form. Is the transaction or the exchange of currencies of different countries. So when you're trading Nigerian Naira to dollar, it means you're doing Forex. You could be trading dollar to Canadian dollar, that US dollar to Canadian dollar. You could be trading the currency of Japan, the Japanese yen. You could be trading it against the US dollar. You could be trading the Great British pound against the US dollar. So that is what Forex is. So having said that, the next thing I will tell you is in Forex, what is being traded is the currencies of different nations, right? So you're exchanging one currency for the other. That is what it is. So how Forex is usually traded is in currency pairs. So you cannot just trade one currency as it is. You cannot just say you want to trade only Naira. It's not possible. You're always going to be trading in currency pairs. So whenever you go to the Forex market, I'll show you a Forex chart right now. You'll see that the currencies are always in pairs. You're pairing one currency to the other. It's just like the example I gave you. You cannot go to the Aboki man and just say you want to sell only Naira for nothing. No, you must be selling your Naira in order to get dollar or any country's currency on which you plan to go to. You understand? So in Forex now, there's what they call Forex pair, and that is what is being traded. Now, let me show you a chart. Now, this is a currency pair. This is the chart of the currency pair that I usually trade. On the top left right here, you can see Euro USD, EUR USD. So this is how you will find all the currency pairs that are traded. You always see that you're trading two currencies at the same time. So that is what a forex pair is. I don't know if you guys can still hear me.
Yes, I can still hear you.
All right. So if as I said earlier, I'm not going to be diving deep into the into the the basics, but I can point you to materials that will actually fast track your learning. So one site that I will always recommend for anybody that wants to read up on all of these forex basics is babypips.com. Babypips.com. So babypips.com is actually a very, very cool site that you could go and take a beginner course. And if you're serious about it, in a week at most, you can finish reading all that you need to read about Forex. But it's just basically what I've explained to you now, that Forex is trading of different currencies of different countries, and it's being traded as a pair. Then a lot of all the other basics. There are a lot of terminologies in Forex. The first terminology that I want you to know right now, after currency pairs, that is what you're trading, is pips. Pips is actually just like kilometer. It's like the unit of measurement of movement of the price. Now, let me go back to the Forex chart I showed you earlier. Now, this is the Forex chart I showed you, right? So if when somebody is talking in pips, somebody can say Euro USD moved 50 pips today or 30 pips today. It's just like saying Said moved for 10 kilometers today from here to there. You understand? Please kindly mute yourself. Cruise Luna, please mute yourself. All right, thank you. So, as I was saying, pips is like the unit of measurement of price movement. Whenever you want to describe that a particular currency pair has moved in a certain direction, you are going to use pips to describe it. So you're going to say Euro USD moved 40 pips or 50 pips. That is just simply saying Cruise Luna moved for 10 kilometers or 5 kilometers from here to here. That is just what pips is. So I'm going to drop the link for the site babypips.com. As I said, you could go over there and you will find everything that regards these very basic things about Forex. Just a second. So I'm going to type it in the group right now. Then I'm also going to share a video that I'll share a video that contains that breaks down this basic stuff about Forex very, very clearly that everyone will understand. So I don't want to do, I've done several videos that talks about most of these beginner stuff, but right now, my objectives for this bootcamp is to just really direct you, especially for the beginners, really direct you to what exactly will help you to fast track your basic learning you get. So let's go back to the PowerPoint. So the next thing is, where do you trade Forex? Where do you trade Forex? Having known that Forex is trading of currencies, and you also know that this trading of currencies is done on the line, it's done electronically, it's not like a physical place. Where do you then trade Forex? So in Forex, there's what we call a broker. A broker is just like a bank. It's just like Zenith Bank right now, or UBA, or any of these banks, you know. So these brokers, you could get to create accounts with these brokers, and then when you have an account with the brokers, then you can now trade Forex through your brokerage account. So there are like 2 or 3 different things that you will need to trade Forex. The first is that you need to have a trading account. And to have a trading account, you need to create a trading account with a broker. So there are many, many different brokers out there that offer one trading account that you can use to trade Forex. But there are also a few of them that are reputable and that are very, very good, have low spreads, have fast deposit and fast withdrawal, easy to get verified and all of that. So the number one broker I'm going to recommend for everybody in this group and on this bootcamp is Exness. Exness is one broker. I'm going to share the link in the group. If you don't have an account with any broker yet, you could use that link to register with Exness and create your account. It's very, very easy for you to get verified. You need to just your ID, maybe your NIN or your driver's license, then with a bank statement to prove your residence. That's all you will need to get verified. And the moment you get verified, you can actually get verified instantly, being in a day. If you have those two documents right now, you can get verified on that account. So Exness is the broker I recommend. I'll drop the link for Exness in the group. You could use that link to create an account. So when you create an account with Exness with a broker and you now have a trading account, then you could either fund your account right away or you could create a demo account for you to start practicing the steps. So one of the assignments that you guys will be having today is to have a brokerage account. Either create, if you've not created one before, you use the link I will share to the group, create an account, and then also create a demo account. Any step you get confused, you can message me directly. I'm going to put you through on how to create that account, but it's very, very simple and easy to do. So once you have your broker account, the next thing you need is a trading platform. And the trading platforms, we have MT4 and MT5. Those are the two most common trading platforms. I'm also going to share a screenshot of how it looks. You could just go to Play Store and search MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4, MT5 or MT4. You're going to see those apps, and those are the apps that you will use to trade. So when you have a brokerage account, the next thing you need is a trading platform. This trading platform is where you will actually be executing your trades. It's where you're going to be doing the buying and the selling of whatever currency pair that you want to trade. So
What's the market chat now?
I posted it, but Mega group chat is not a good place.
please
They're
just
attacking.
please kindly mute yourself, bro. Please. Lawrence, please mute yourself, bro. Welcome to the class. So
Sorry.
no problem. So MT4, MT5 is the platform you use to actually execute your trade. And I'm going to share a screenshot of MT4, MT5 that you can go to the Play Store or Apple Store and download them, install it on your phone. Then you will then link your brokerage account, the trading account you've already created on Exness. You will link it to the MT4 or MT5, whichever one. MT4 or MT5 is just the same thing. MT5 is like an upgraded version of MT4, but they are basically the same. Everything is the same, so you don't need to get confused about that. So then you also need TradingView. TradingView is also a platform, a charting platform that shows you. Let me show you. This is TradingView right here. You can check your screen right now. This is TradingView right here. You can just go to www.tradingview.com and then you can actually chart anything you want to see, any currency pair or any financial assets you want to trade. You can chart it on TradingView just like this, and it will show you the charts. You could then do your analysis and then begin to trade. So this is exactly how TradingView looks. You could download TradingView app on your phones. It's also very important. Download TradingView app on your phone. So then let's move to the next thing. Then the next thing I will be telling you right now is Forex entirely. I have divided Forex into three into three main categories. The first thing is your strategy. The second thing is psychology. The third one is risk management. So Forex, I've classified Forex into three broad categories. The first is your strategy, second is psychology, the third is risk management. Now, let's assume you already know what to trade, you've chosen a currency pair to trade, and you want to start trading. You need to have a strategy on how to trade. You need to have a strategy and say, this is how I'm going to trade. If this happens, I'm going to buy this pair Euro USD. If this happens, I'm going to sell Euro USD. And all that you're going to be learning as a beginner, all the basics is all classified under strategy. So you learning about Forex, currency pairs, you learning about the major pairs, the minor pairs, you learning about trading sessions, you learning about pips, stop loss, all of those terminologies is classified under strategy. Then the next thing is psychology. When you finally learn your strategy and you know what to do, you want to buy now or you want to sell now, the next difficult thing that will come up is your trading psychology. Trading psychology now is how to manage yourself, how to manage your emotions, how to manage yourself. When you start trading, you begin to find out that there's fear of missing out of a trade. You begin to feel greedy. You begin to have anger. All of those things is classified under psychology. Then the last thing is risk management. Risk management is, people usually say trading is risky, but in the real sense, the risks in trading can be managed properly. If you have a very sound risk management, you're not going to see trading as a risky stuff that you shouldn't venture into. So that is that for risk management. And this is the very brief introduction that I want us to start with for today. As from tomorrow, we're going to start the class properly. So this is all that we have for today. I'm going to share the links to create a brokerage account, to have a trading account. I'll also share the screenshot of all the trading apps you should have on your phone, so that tomorrow when we start the class, we're going to start the class properly tomorrow, and we'll start talking like more advanced stuff. So I'll share the link in the WhatsApp group. We're going to share a screenshot of all the apps you need to download and have on your phone or your laptop, so that you can start learning how to trade. And then tomorrow we're going to go in further. So tomorrow, day 2, let me give you a breakdown of what we're going to be doing tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to be discussing on the Forex chart. I'll show you what the Forex chart is, explain how the Forex chart is. This is the Forex chart. I will show you what this is, explain what all of these things you're seeing is. I'm sure a lot of you guys that probably don't know or have not started trading, this looks very confusing to you. You don't know what all of this thing is. You're just seeing a bunch of random lines and all of that. So tomorrow I'm going to explain what the Forex chart is. I'm also going to explain what candlesticks are, time frames. Then I'll explain what the trading session is, how to analyze the Forex market, how to now finally analyze and place a trade, whether you want to buy or sell. I'll do all of that tomorrow. I'll also show you how to place a trade tomorrow. I'll also show you order types, pending orders, market execution. All of these things are what I have in store for you guys tomorrow. So as for today, this is just going to be a very brief introduction. I'll also share the necessary links and the necessary materials and applications that you guys need to have on your phones. I'll share it immediately. I'll share it after this class on the group, so that you guys can have them ready for tomorrow's class. So right now, if you guys have any question, if there's any question you have, please just ask right now before we end for today. If anybody has a question, you can just type it, or you go turn your mic and then you ask the question. So let's just wait for like I know I said this class was going to be lasting for like 1 hour, but then today there's nothing really much to talk about. It's just like an introduction for the class, so it's going to be shorter today. So does anybody have any question for today? Does anybody have any question? This is just an introduction, guys. Don't worry, tomorrow we're going to go further. We're going to talk more. So I'll just wait 1 more minute to see if anybody will ask any question. If not, we are going to end the class here.
There's no question, sir. Thank you very much for this session.
Okay. It's all right. That's good. So if there's no any question, then this will be the end of today's class. Today's class is just going to be an introduction. So tomorrow we're going to start diving deep further into what Forex is, how to trade Forex. And I'm going to share all the beginner-friendly materials and videos that I said I'm going to share for you guys, so that you guys can start digesting it in tonight. So try and make sure you watch those videos or watch the video. It's just actually just one video, actually, like a 40 minutes long video that really talks very well about all that you need to know as a beginner. Then I also shared babypips.com. That's a very resourceful website that you can use to learn. So having said all that, guys, I hope this was helpful or impactful to you in whatever small way. This is just an introduction. So see you guys tomorrow, guys. So cheers.